Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the restore now. Connect the Time Machine disk and confirm its file system type so you know whether to expect app snapshots. Restart your Mac into recovery by holding Command+R. Once the recovery utilities appear, open Disk Utility and run First Aid on the target disk to prevent failures. Make sure the target is formatted correctly for Mac OS. If it needs erasing, choose Apps for modern Mac OS. Once done, close Disk Utility and select Restore from Time Machine Backup to begin. You'll now pick the precise snapshot and configure the target. Select the desired backup date and confirm its size and contents. Larger snapshots take longer. If restoring a full system, erase the destination volume first, create an apps container and name the volume because mismatch causes restore errors. When prompted, enter the backup's encryption password so the restore can read the archive. After selecting the snapshot and target, confirm the restore. Migration assistant options appear next for accounts. Let the restore run to completion. Progress can take from minutes to hours depending on size, so be patient and avoid interrupting power. Once finished, the Mac will reboot into the restored system, sign into your user account and Apple ID, then verify key apps, system preferences, and file locations. Make sure iCloud and Mail resync. If something goes wrong, a quick troubleshooting step is to check cables and that the backup disk mounts. If it still fails, run Disk Utility First Aid or use Terminal to list snapshots before attempting another restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.